Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with a project share of a tag that my granddaughter made. And she took a tag that I had received from a friend and covered it with another friend's digi, who is KK, who is Karen Kane of She Shed Crafts. And then she also did a little butterfly here, okay, with some rhinestones. She took one of my little tiny jars that I have and put some glitter for fairy dust. She has a bone here, a flower, a little key charm. She cut, uh, fussy cutted out a rose to put on here, another rhinestone bling. She's got a button here with 2 rhinestone bling. She also has some wax here with a rhinestone bling. A key here, not a key, a heart. And when you open the little fairy door, you have another butterfly. And this is here is from the same digi that she's used for the to cover the complete card. Okay, and she also has some Velcro here, a rose with bling here, and that's her whole project right there. I'm gonna say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.